In this video we are going to talk about how to take your first steps with email marketing. But before we proceed, welcome to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And turn on the notification bell so you be the first person to get notified when we upload new videos. So let's get back to the video. For many businesses in Miami that want to connect with their customers and guide them to their business in a more intimate, direct, and quantifiable way, understanding the ins and outs of email marketing methods is their most valuable resource. Due to this, whether your business hasn't started using email marketing or has but you're unsure if you're following the appropriate procedures, we've compiled a list of the top considerations for your marketing plan below. Steps to develop an optimal email marketing strategy. The following considerations must be made if you want to implement email marketing tactics that are based on the interests of your audience and that encourage them to open them. 1. What objectives do you want to meet? One of the most crucial aspects of carrying out each phase of your email marketing techniques is planning. It will be much simpler to carry them out effectively and plan each email-based activity accordingly. 2. Partner with the most effective email marketing tools. Among others, tools like MailChimp, Aweber, or Constant Contact. Many of them include pre-made templates to make your work easier, and they also often have user-friendly interfaces that make it simple to construct campaigns and gauge the size of each actions. They feature pre-made templates to make your job simpler, as well as an easy-to-use interface that will enable you to swiftly construct your campaign and gauge the size of each action. 3. Study your audience well. Your target customer audience should be the focus of your email marketing efforts. Depending on the goals you want to achieve with each email you send, you will be able to use the fundamental information from this in-depth research to create helpful material or plan competitions for your subscribers. 4. Take care of your database. The quality of a subscriber list is more important than the sheer number of subscribers. The more high-quality connections you have and the wider your network, the more effectively you can promote your messaging and convert subscribers into customers. 5. Define the day and time you want your newsletter to be sent to your audience. This step will assist you in organizing and properly carrying out the designated email marketing strategy. Although 11 a.m. is the ideal shipping time, the best days to ship are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. To choose the best day for each situation, it is advised to do experiments and evaluate the results. 6. Landing page for email marketing. You must locate the appropriate channels if you want your message to be received as you want. It is feasible to grow the database by connecting your emailing campaign to a landing page that meets your objectives, since landing pages are ideal places to collect user information, such as in return for a user's free download of a piece of content they would find interesting. Similar to how the email itself continues on the landing page, the user is able to get all the information they require when arriving from the email marketing campaign. Depending on the goal of each campaign in our email marketing plan, you will have all you need from the landing page to purchase the product, take part in the competition, or register your data. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.